Hello everybody. Today we've got a demonstration of the Franken-Fan Harbor Breeze Lynnhaven. So, I bet y'all thought that this fan was gone. Haven't done anything with this thing in a really long time. But it's been kicking around in the background, and I decided to pull it out today. So here we got the Harbor Breeze Franken-Fan Lynnhaven with random blade irons that I stuck on it, some Lasco cane blades, and no upper light shade because that was broken when I got it. So here's the plan for this fan. I'm gonna buy a set of 5 blade arms. I'm either gonna buy a set of blades for it, or just use these ones because I really like how these look on it. Like, even the cane looks good on it. So we're going to 3D print a new light shade in 6 different segments so that the seams are hidden behind those bars on the motor housing. And then we're going to 3D print a little cup ringy thing to go inside of there. Because right now I've just got a down rod in the middle of the switch housing and I have 3 long screws. But anyway, after much struggling while installing this fan because the light kit stopped working, the wire was busted, it works now. So here's the light. You got 6 bulbs in it, 4 incandescents, and 2 LEDs. They're all candelabra. And I genuinely like how this thing looks. Painting the blade irons is going to be a bit challenging. They got to be gray, like a really dark gray with specks of black all over them. And if that fails, I'll probably just paint the whole thing like oil rub bronze or like some color like that. So, let's turn it on low. This is genuinely a very powerful fan. I'm not just making that up because I like it. It's actually pretty powerful. Especially with this giant blade set on it, I didn't think it was going to move much air. And it does wobble right now, but that's because it's got a mismatched blade iron that doesn't have the same profile as the other ones. I do think the uplight is very cool. This is definitely going to be an interesting project. And it's not going to happen right now. It'll probably be... It won't be anytime soon, I'll tell you that much. Because I've got school starting and I'm booked. And also, unfortunately, once the school year starts, it's 1 video a day. I just don't have time to film that many videos. I can't film 14 a week anymore. I can film 7 over the weekend, which is plenty of videos to get me through the week. On low, I'm sitting under it. On low, it's moving. Plenty of air. Not a lot by any means, but it's definitely not horrible. Is the light on low. So this is basically the before restoration. This fan's gonna get a lot better than this. Let's move it up to medium. See how fast it's already going? This thing whips, which is weird because it's a Harbor Breeze. Eat cardboard. Ain't no way it blew it down. That's crazy. Very quiet. I'll give it that. I don't feel like it would have been this powerful brand new or with its original stuff. And also, I'm surprised how much I like those cat's eye blade irons on it. Moving a lot of air. Like, a lot. As much as a good old Hunter ceiling fan. Here's the light. How does it look on the video? It looks pretty cool. Let's put it up to high. Yeah, on high this thing just takes off. It's blowing cardboard. I was gonna get rid of this. It's crazy. This is a great fan. This thing is moving so much air. Here's the light. Don't be hating on my Lynnhaven. I love this fan. Alright, let's shut it off. Watch this, ready? I thought it would be the right amount of pulls to get it to turn off and the light to stay on, but it wasn't. My bad. So I think I'm gonna dedicate this canopy to this fan, or I can get a different one. I don't really like this one. It's perfectly sized for the fan, but it's that stupid Hunter triangle one. I think I have a mounting bracket for it. And I probably have an extra triangular ball. So I could make it work. Wow, it's already stopping. Huh. Might need new bearings. Hopefully not. I hate taking this thing apart. It's a pain in the ass. But anyway, that's the end of the Harbor Breeze Lynnhaven 52-inch ceiling fan. I don't know what finish it's in. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.